Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, we would like to present our presentation about pharmacy database. Before we start, I would like to introduce our team from Group 3. My name is Hirza Alis.
My name is Muhammad Syaril Syabani.
My name is Nicodemus Abelio.
What is pharmacy database? Pharmacy is a pharmacy application to make it easier for people to use drugs. We created this app because we want everyone to be able to know the drugs available in pharmacies. Pharmacy management has realized that it is difficult to store so much data manually. Therefore, we found several data systems to facilitate the work so that all activities in the company can be conveyed easily and reduce the risk of data errors. The number of entities in the following database will be 5, which is employee, customer, supplier, drug, and invoice.
Attributes. Entities employee have attributes employee ID, employee name, employee address, position, gender, and number phone. Entities customer have attributes for customer ID, customer name, customer address, job, gender, number phone. Entities supplier have attribute supplier ID, supplier name, supplier address, number phone, and entities drug have attributes drug ID, drug name, drug type, stock, price, foreign key, supplier ID. And then entities invoice have attributes invoice ID, invoice date, quantity, total amount, foreign key employee ID, foreign key customer ID, foreign key drug ID. This is a ER diagram for our database. Tables. Employee tables have employee ID, employee name, employee address, position, gender, number phone. Customer tables have column customer ID, customer name, customer address, job, gender, number phone. Supplier tables have column supplier ID, supplier name, supplier address, number phone. Drug tables have column drug ID, drug name, drug type, stock, price, foreign key, supplier ID, and then invoice tables have column invoice ID, invoice date, quantity, total amount, foreign key employee ID, foreign key customer ID, and foreign key drug ID.
Table design. Field name is employee ID, data chart, length 5, description is ID of employee. Field name employee name, data chart, varchar, length is 50, description is name of employee. Field name employee address. Data type is varchar, length is 100, description is address of employee. Field name is position, data type is varchar, length is 50, description is position of employee. File name is gender, data type is char, length is 1, description is gender of employee. File name is number telephone, data type is char, length is 12, description phone number of employee. File name is customer ID, data type char, length is 5, description is ID of customer. Customer file name is customer name, data type varchar, length is 100, description is name of customer. File name customer address, the type is varchar, length is 200, description is address of customer. File name is job, data type is varchar, length is 50, description Description is position is of customer. File name is gender. Data type is char. Length is one. Description gender of customer. File, file name is number telephone. The type char. Length is 12. Description is phone number of customer. File name is supplier ID. Data type char. Length is 5. Description is ID of supplier. File name is supplier name. Data type is voucher. Length is 100. Description is name of supplier. File name is supply supply address. Data type is voucher. Length is 200. Description is address of supplier. File name is number telephone. Data type is char. Length is 12. Description phone number of supplier. Table design. First, file name is drug ID. Data the type chart. Length is 5. Description drug name. Description is ID of drug. File name is drug name. The type is virtual. Length is 100. Description is number of drug. File name is drug type. The type is virtual. Length is 50. Description is type of drug. File name is stock. The type is INT. Length is no. Description is stock of drug. File name is price. Data type is money. Length is no. Description is price of drug. File name is foreign key. Supplier ID. Data type char. Length is 5. Description ID supplier of drug. File name is invoice ID. Data type char. Length is 5. Description ID invoice. In file name invoice date. Data type date. Length is no. Description date of invoice. File name is quantity. Data type int. Length is no. Description is quantity of drug. File name is total. Data type is money. Length is no. Description is total of drug. File name is amount. Data type is no. Length is no. Description is the total amount from quantity total. File name is foreign key employee ID. Data type char. Length is 5. Description is foreign key of employee ID from employee table. File name is foreign key customer ID. Data type is char. Length is 5. Description is foreign key of customer ID from the customer table. File name is foreign car drug ID. The type is char. Length is 5. Description is foreign key of drug ID from drug table. Validation perform. The first validation perform employee ID should be entered. Format is E0 until 9. The method use for validation primary key not no constraint. Validation request employee name method use for should be entered 12 digits and format is 0 until 9. Method use for validation not no clause and the statement constraint. Validation request drug ID should be entered format D 0 until 9. Method is for validation primary key not no constraint. Validation request drug name and drug type. Method is validation not no clause and the statement. Validation request foreign key supply ID. Method is for validation is foreign key reference from pharmacy apotek supplier. Validation perform is validation request invoice ID should be entered format is I in 0 until 9. Method is for validation primary key not no constraint. Validation request invoice date quantity and total. Method is for validation not no clause on the statement. Validation request foreign key employee ID. Method is for validation foreign key reference from pharmacy apotek employee. Validation request foreign key customer ID. Method is for validation Front key reference from pharmacy apotek customer. Validation request front key drug ID method us for validation front key reference from pharmacy apotek drug. Yeah, so that we are talking about the presentation. Thank you very much for the listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.